Today we are going to change the crankshaft position sensor on this 2009 Dodge Avenger SXT. Some of the symptoms for a bad crankshaft sensor, position sensor, you'll have acceleration problems, decrease fuel mileage, it'll use more gas, it'll stumble when you accelerate. Sometimes it'll have a rough start, it'll be hard to start. It could get so bad to the point where your car won't start at all. So we're going to change this thing out. First thing I had to do was, since my battery is in the wheel well, it's a pain in the butt to get to, I disconnected the negative terminal up here. I want to do that first. All right, and I'll show you where this is. On the passenger side, in between the water reservoir and where you put in your oil, you'll see your sensor right down there. It's got a bolt right here that you got to take out, and it also has, let's see if I get a better view, this plug right here. All right, that red clip, you want to make sure you push it all the way down. There you go, all the way down in order to unplug it. All right, in the back, I'll be able to show this better after I unplug it, but there's a little button that you squeeze right here in this area that you squeeze to pull this off. So we're going to go ahead and unplug that. Okay, it's unplugged. And here's the plug. That's that red clip that you have to make sure it's pushed down. And here's the button I was talking about that you have to mash to pull it over and to get it to unplug. I guess you could take it out with the plug still on there. It'd probably be easier to take the plug off with the whole sensor out. Just as long as you're careful and you don't break the wire. You don't want to break anything. But yeah, you could take that out. Take that bolt out and take the thing out and then unplug it, because I struggle getting this off. You don't want to break this. All right, next we got to take this bolt out right here. Got to take that bolt out. That's a 13mm. Go underneath this hose. Just work that bolt out. I'm going to remove this bolt and we'll be right back. Okay, I took that out with a 13mm wrench, and now we're ready to remove our sensor. The best way to do this is to turn it first before you pull it. Turn it, wiggle it back and forth, and as you wiggle it back and forth, pull it out. Because it's got a little rubber seal on it. You don't want that to break off in there. Here it goes, come right out. There's our old one. Old crankshaft position sensor. And here's our new one. I got it for $44 at Advanced Auto Parts. Let's compare them both. Make sure we got the right part. Always compare. Plug is the same. We're all good there. I will take a little bit of this oil and I'm gonna put it on this gasket right here. That way it goes in nice without breaking that O-ring, not gasket. All right, so here we go. Some of this oil around here. Now we're ready to go back in with our new part. Alright. Go back around. And I'm gonna turn it, and it went in really nice. Really easy. Line up my bolt hole Notice the plug is sticking to the back. I'm gonna put in our bolt. I always turn left before I turn right. I'm gonna tighten it on down. Put it hand tight and then I'll tighten it with a wrench. There we go. You just want to put it hand tight. I don't want to overdo it. There we go. Quarter turn right there, that's good. Plug her back up. Alright, she's plugged in. Push my little red clip back up. That's it, fellas. That's how you do it. That's how you change out a crankshaft position sensor on a 2.7 liter V6 Dodge engine. I gotta remember to hook back up my negative battery cable, and we're all set. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.